All right, how you doing? I'm Christian Westhorpe with Glidecoat here, and I've got Dean Waite, the owner of this SeaVee. And what we've got here is a 2003 SeaVee that we originally coated back in August of 2016. And now we're at the point, it's been over 2 years, and we're looking to do the reapplications. All right, so Dean, tell me why you decided to go with Glidecoat and what else you were thinking about doing before choosing us.
Well, in August of 2016, I had not done the maintenance I should have done on the boat over the previous 5 years. And it was oxidized, it was chalky all over, and I even investigated a full paint job in and out, and it was about a $10,000 price.
Not cheap. So, Dean, how was the performance of our coating over the course of 2 years?
Well, it's actually even more than 2 years. It's closer to almost 3 years, and it's amazing to me that the gloss would be as strong as it is right now. And this is the side that's had all the sun exposure over all that time. And in relationship to what it would have cost me to have it waxed each time, I think there'd be a savings in the area of about $3,000 a year.
That's a big savings.
It's an amazing savings. And the fact that when you walk out and you can get in your boat and you feel the pride of ownership because it's a beautiful,
got a nice
shiny
gloss to it.
It's amazing too. So I couldn't be happier with the performance of the product, and I think that the second major application will last even longer.
Yes.
And it'll be easier for you to apply it this time.
Yes, it will. So when we started this boat, it was very oxidized. There was loss of some of the color. We use our GLOSSMETER, and some of the readings were as low as 30s to even the 20s on the hull. After we did the application, we got it up to 92 as a high, and then on the worst side, we were in the mid 80s. Now after 2 years, the GLOSSMETER readings are still as high as 85, which is comparable to brand new gel coat. And that's 2.5 years with our coating on it in the sun, with salt on the surface, exposed to the elements. And even as an average, we're still in the 70s, which is maybe only a 15% decrease over 2.5 years of the coating.
It is wildly outstripped my expectations.
All right, so we're here with Dean. We just got finished doing the reapplication of Glidecoat on the SeaVee. And Dean, what's your reaction to the reapplication? How it turned out?
It's absolutely amazing. It looks like a mirror finish on the side of the boat as I'm looking at it now. And it's because we had done it 30 months ago, there was enough product left in them on the surface of the boat to be able to accomplish this with about 30% less time.
Yep. So the first time we did the application on Dean's boat, there was a lot of oxidization. We had to do 3 to 4 steps buffing on the hull and similar on the top side. So it took us 3 to 4 days. On the reapplication, because we had already laid a lot of groundwork and did the heavy lifting, when we did the reapplication, we didn't have to take any oxidization out. So we, as Dean said, saved 30% of time. We only completed the boat in 2 days as opposed to 4, with doing a lot less steps because we were essentially cleaning the surface with a light buff instead of having to remove any oxidization, and the outcome speaks for itself.